Welcome to my hotel room. We're here at Pabua's Cottages on Camiguin Island. So, show you real quick. So there's a screen door. I presume when the weather's nicer, by nicer I mean less hot, although I'm not sure if it ever gets less hot in the Philippines. These nice curtains right here for privacy. Not sure if you can hear, but there are some roosters in this area. So I actually found this place on Chase Travel. For those who don't know, I like to use my points to help cut down my cost of traveling. And so I want to say I'm paying around 1,900 points per night, which is equivalent of $19 a night. Now that's with a 25% bonus on value. So the actual cost of this hotel room is probably closer to like 24 or 25 USD per night. And it actually comes with 2 beds. I would have booked a single, but this is all they had. So it turned out to be one of the better reviewed, if not the best reviewed hotel at that price point. So up here we've got the aircon unit, and they ask that you turn off the aircon and unplug your charger when you're gone, for safety purposes, but also for resource, responsible use of resources. I do see some signs that the Philippines is trying to go in a more green direction. I noticed in Cottages, the town that I stayed in before I came here, there were several different recycling receptacles, and they're trying to teach people how to organize their trash so that they can be a little bit less wasteful. I noticed, for example, a lot of the oranges that I've been buying come in single-use packages, which honestly is kind of excessive because, like in the States, you put all your oranges in one package, but here, whether you buy 1 orange or 3 oranges, you're going to get 1 package per orange, and then you'll probably get another bag to hold those products. So same with the apples. I'll show you over here the apples. One of the apples, it comes in like a single-use package. Now this table, there's no dirt on it. It's just a little bit worn. I guess it may have been painted in the past, but naturally the salt water is going to be harder on things like that. So here we got the Sharp TV. I don't really watch much TV, but in case you're wondering, I think it's about a 27-inch TV from corner to corner. I haven't measured that, but it's just kind of what I estimate based on my experience with screens. Now they've got a no smoking sign, so you'll want to keep in mind that unless you specifically find a no smoking room here, I'm going to make the presumption that all the rooms are non-smoking and that you'll want to smoke outside. I actually saw an ashtray out there, so that is, I personally am included for those who do smoke cigarettes. So up here they show some of what's available. They offer here 1 liter of Coke for 40 pesos. That's about 80 cents US. 1 Grand Red Horse. I'm not sure what a grand size is, but Red Horse is a beer. It tends to be, I think, 7% alcohol, so a little bit stronger beer for 100 pesos, about $2 US. San Miguel, a little bit lighter beer than the Red Horse. I think it's around 5% alcohol for $2. 1 liter of mineral water, 25 pesos, about 50 cents. 4 liter for 70, that's about $1.40 US. 6 liter for 90 pesos, which is about $1.80 US. And then breakfast, I'm not sure what breakfast is because I haven't had it here, but that's 100 pesos, it's about $2 US. If I end up trying that, I'll let you guys know what I think. I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure what it is, but I may end up finding out. So over here, they've got these various things that they'll connect you with. Not only do they have some information about cell phones, Globe and Smart are the 2 available options here, but then they've also got information on motorbike rental, scooter rental. I'm not sure what XRM is, and of course island tours. So if you want to hire a driver to take you on a tour of the island, they are able to connect you with some people. I'm not sure What those experiences are like, I haven't tried those yet, but certainly worth considering if you're coming here and you're not sure exactly what you want to do or how you're going to get there. So next we've got two towels here. I really like the way they folded these. They've got like a flower towel, and then that looks like, I can't really figure out what the designs are on that, maybe some leaves and things like that, but certainly nice to have a couple of towels for after showers. And this hotel, Papua's Cottages, is actually near, it's actually near the ferry terminal for White Island. So for those who don't know, White Island is a big attraction here on Camiguin Island, and it's basically it's a white sand beach, and it's a 500 pesos for one person to take a round trip from the ferry terminal to White Island and to come back. And then if you got 4 people, they charge 1,800 pesos. So for me, it's about $10 round trip. If I had 3 other people with me, we'd pay about equivalent of $9 a piece round trip. Now that's at the time of making this video. Of course, the peso could become stronger in relation to the US dollar. It really just depends. I just providing information relevant as of January 2020. Down here we've got 2 electric plugs. Now, I believe that they're 220 volts. I'm having some trouble charging my cell phone through this port, but it seemed to be able to charge my laptop with no issue. I'm not exactly sure for the reasoning, but that's just been my experience. I do find that this hotel room is cleaner and nicer than what I had at the Coral Dive Resort, and so definitely liking it so far in comparison to that other one. Here we've got like a light fixture, turns on the overhead light, and we got a couple of chairs included. I'm using one to store my backpack, and then one for some laundry that I'll need to do later. I'm actually traveling for almost 2 months, about 7 weeks out of this backpack here. It's a 40-liter, this sounds bad. It's a 40-liter Osprey, 40-liter Osprey backpack. And it definitely expands pretty nice. I purchased this Adidas drawstring bag in Phnom Penh. It was about 18 US for this one. And I think I got the Osprey for about 113 US. I got that back in the States before I left on my trip. And so what's next? Okay, so we got a sink here. The soap is mine, and the deodorant's mine, and this bits of paper are mine. So soap's not included in this room, which is fine with me. Soap's relatively cheap. I think I bought 3 bars of soap for, what was it, like 80 pesos, 100 pesos, relatively cheap. Nice little mirror here. What else? Oh, so I guess these are for like toothbrushes. Place to hang your towel to dry after you take a shower. Got a shower here. I haven't taken a shower in here yet, so I can't comment much on that. I don't know how the water pressure or temperature is, but we'll find out about that later on. Now, if somebody can help me out here, I don't know what these buckets are for. I've seen these in my previous 2 hotels here in the Philippines. If you know what they are, if you know the purposes, just let me know, and help us down in the comments below. There's a smaller bucket and this larger bucket, and I'm not sure exactly what they're for, so thank you. Here we got just a standard shower curtain. Looks to be pretty clean. What else? So I guess that's pretty much most of the room. There's a nice kind of stone or tile floor here. It's very clean. As you can see, we got 1 bed, 2nd bed, and then before we wrap up here, I want to just come outside and show you a little bit of the outside, this little patio type area. So got some beautiful plants here. They really add a lot to the visual effect, and you definitely feel like you're in that kind of jungle vibe here. They've got some local fauna here. Flora and fauna. You'll probably hear the fauna in the distance, some of the chickens, but yeah, I'm not sure what these are called. Let me know if you know what they are. But anyway, just wanted to share my hotel room at Pabua's Cottages, and I'll see you guys soon.